Hello everyone, I am S. Ahmed. Previously, I have made a video on rubrics-based assessment using Rubric and Octopus add-ons, whose link is also provided in the description. But today I am going to show you how you can perform rubrics-based assessment in Google Classroom by using newly added Rubrics beta version, which is a more easier and effective tool. Kindly note that the contents which will not be a part of this conversation will remain blurred. To start, first we have to go to classroom.google.com. Here I have already made a classroom with the name of test class. After going in our test classroom, I'll go to the classwork tab. As the classwork tab opens, I am creating a new assignment. The title of the assignment can be anything. I am naming it as sample assignment. You can add description too as per your convenience and need. Now I have to click the add button to upload a new file from my PC. Here you have another option of recent, by using which you can reuse any recently uploaded file. But I am uploading file now with my PC. I named this file as sample assignment. Now I have to click the upload button. Here is a pro tip. It is recommended to select make a copy for each student to get a separate copy of your assignment at the time of grading with ease. After selecting, I can change the assignment points to whatever I want. So I am making it 10. I can choose the due date of the assignment by selecting this option. I can also link it with any topic. So I am linking it with introduction, the only available topic in this test classroom. Now here comes the most important part, the rubric. By using this button, I can create rubric or reuse a previously used rubric, or I can import from sheet 2. But now I am creating it as a new user. We can create it by using two schemes, ascending and descending. Means we can create like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we can choose the either way 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now here I am selecting the descending scheme. Now I have to choose the title of criterion, which can be anything I want. For instance, right now I am making it as identification of problem. I can also provide criterion description like in this criterion, student's ability of problem identification will be assessed. This is just an example. You can turn it your own way. I have to mark first level of criterion by keeping in mind that I am working in descending scheme. However, if I mark here in ascending order, then Google will adjust the points automatically, but then I have to adjust the title of level accordingly. I am giving 4 points for highest level of this criterion. The title level can be anything as per our need. I am giving excellent title to this level. You can give description too. The same steps will be done for all levels of this criterion. So let's do it fast. Now I have to add another criterion in my rubric. So I have to click add criterion button. Now as I click the add criterion button, the same story will appear again. We have to give the criterion title and description, then the level title points and description. So let's do it fast. Now I have to again add another criterion. So I have to hit the add criterion button. And again I have to enter the same fields, criterion title, description, then the level title points and description. All points and titles are just examples and can be changed accordingly. Now I entered only two levels of this criterion as per my need because number of criterion and levels vary from person to person and are not fixed. Now after verifying all required fields, I'll click save button to save my rubric. After clicking the save button, I am returning to the same screen where I uploaded my assignment. So I'll assign this assignment to the three students who were previously added. These three students are just my normal Google IDs, non-G Suite IDs. Now I will go again to my sample assignment to check the status. Here you can see that zero assignment turned in, means nobody have submitted the assignment, and assignments of all three students are pending for their submission. Here are the three students. Now I have to return after due date to check the submission status and grading of assignments accordingly. For instance, let's assume that today is the due date of previously posted assignment, and now we have to grade these assignments. As you can see that out of 3 students, only 2 students submitted the assignment. For grading, let's start with first submitted assignment. Now here is the first assignment, but this is only the sample assignment. In regular practice, you will notice that your provided assignment will appear at the top and the student solution will appear beneath it. For marking, I have to go to the right of my screen. Here is the digital rubric. Now I have to create my first criterion. Now suppose that server submitted assignment qualifies for the excellent level of this criterion. So I am selecting the excellent level. Now I'll select the levels for the remaining 2 criteria. Now you can see that the assignment awarded marks are sum of individual marks of all criteria. Now I have to click the return button to proceed my marks to the students and grading sheet. After that, I will do the same procedure for the second submitted assignment. You can add your comments too in the box like, keep it up, you should focus more on interpretation. Interpretation should be this and that, whatever you want. After returning, we can now move forward to the students who did not submit their assignment and we can grade them as per predefined policy. After returning all assignments, we can return to the main page. Now, I am opening the Grades tab to check the scores of my students which were given by me. Here I can see that the class average marks as well as individual marks of students appear on the same tab. In this way, we can assess students' assignment in light of rubrics in Google Classroom beta version. Thank you.